In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix volume too low on Windows 10. If your speakers or headphones sound too quiet even at max volume, don't worry. Let's walk through a clear sequence of checks and settings that usually solve it. Start with the quick wins. Turn your device's physical volume up using the keyboard keys or the on-device buttons, and raise the knob on external speakers or the inline control on a headset. Make sure nothing is muted, and try a different audio app for a moment to confirm it's not just that one program. Next, check the volume mixer. Click the speaker icon on the taskbar and open the mixer. Make sure both the system volume and the individual app you're using aren't turned down, and confirm the correct output device is selected at the top. Open Windows Sound Settings from the Start menu. Choose your output device, then open its device properties and additional device properties. Under the Levels tab, raise the main level and make sure left and right balance are even. If you see a mute icon on either channel, unmute it. In the Enhancements or Enhancements Signal Processing section, turn on Loudness Equalization if it's available for your device. This feature evens out quieter audio and can make a big difference for low-volume sources. After toggling it, stop and restart your audio to compare. Go to the Advanced tab and try a different default format, such as 16-bit, 44100 Hz, or 24-bit, 48,000 Hz, then click Test. While you're there, uncheck the options that let applications take exclusive control if you suspect an app is hogging audio. Also try toggling spatial sound off to see if it affects loudness. Back in the main sound settings, open More Sound Settings and switch to the Communications tab. Set it to Do Nothing, so Windows doesn't automatically reduce volume when it detects calls. If you're using Bluetooth headphones, disconnect and reconnect them, and remove and re-add the device if needed. Make sure they connect in the stereo media profile, not a hands-free call profile, which is much quieter. Update or reinstall your audio driver. Open Device Manager, expand sound, video, and game controllers. Update your output device driver, or uninstall and restart to let Windows reinstall it. Then run the Playing Audio Troubleshooter from Settings System Troubleshoot. Finally, restart your PC and install pending Windows updates. If certain videos or songs are inherently quiet, enable loudness normalization in the app itself where available. With these checks, most low-volume issues on Windows 10 are resolved.